Attention all aspiring graphic designers and job seekers. If you are keen to land yourself into a highly paid graphic designing jobs, then this is the right video for you. Hello, my name is Oppurtunity and I am here today to help you out if you are an aspiring graphic designer and a job seeker to land into a better and highly paid jobs. Introducing Red Apple's one-on-one masterclass. This masterclass is going to provide you with a toolkit for highly paid graphic designing jobs. And wonder, this is just for ₹199. This will help you understand the dynamics of graphic designing industry, actionable tools, exclusive study materials, AI cheat sheets, tutorial videos which has a lifetime access, best-selling ebook bundles on graphic designing, with a lifetime access to our exclusive community that has hundreds of designers, recruiters, mentors, and industry leaders with 100% tested and proven personal development toolkit. With the masterclass, you do not need to worry further. You do not need to get indulged into the negative thoughts deep dived inside you. Now you can avail highly paid jobs, and now you can also prosper as your friends and colleagues out. Don't miss it. Book a call today and get your one-on-one masterclass.